Guys, welcome back to a new one. So in this video we're not going to be working on the OBS yet. I still haven't gotten any parts, and as you can see if you follow me on Instagram, yeah, let me try to get y'all closer. The pulley disintegrated, or was about to. As you can see there, it was starting to come off, so it was sliding back into the motor and it was causing that. So I figured that was the issue with the belts coming off. Luckily, I mean, this one's still good, I think, but I haven't been able to order the parts because I haven't had time, and it gets dark way too soon, so maybe I'll get it this weekend. But for now, we got some oil, and we're gonna be doing an oil change on the Cummins because I gotta go to Greenville, and it's been around 20,000 since I've changed it. So yeah, I feel bad, so we're gonna do it today. I lost my creeper, so I gotta get this figured out and I'll crawl down under. But got the jug, got the oil, got the filter. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so got it jacked up, and that's the plug right there. And if you have ever changed the oil on the ram, you don't even need a socket. It's just the 3/8 ratchet that you need, and that's pretty much it. The oil filter is somewhere over there. I'll show you in a little bit because it's hard to get to. Oh my god. But yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so when you're doing this, make sure there's nothing obstructing the hole where the oil goes into, because yeah, my wife is gonna beat me up. Oh man, now I gotta clean this up. So yeah, make sure that doesn't happen to you. Alright guys, so now that I drained all the oil, there's a little bit dripping, so I'm gonna turn it on so the rest of the oil can come out. Alright, just kidding, don't turn it on. Just put your plug back in, and we should be ready to change out the oil filter. And I still gotta fix that mess. Alright, as you can see, that's the oil filter right there. Whoever's dumbass idea that was, do it over, because you can't get to it from the bottom like the older models. So this is the only way, unless you want to pull the air filter box on top and reach down. So it doesn't help that I have big ass hands, but what we're gonna try is we got a cup from your local Beesturger place, and I'm gonna try to place it on top of the filter, and hopefully the cup catches all the oil whenever I unscrew it. So let's hope this works. Alright, so the cup trick was a bust, so I just did it how I usually do it, and I put a bag under, and then I unscrewed it, so when it just falls into the bag. And I try to plug it with the paper towel, but since these aren't the usual towels I use, I don't know if it's gonna work. So now just gotta wrap it up in the bag and hopefully I don't tear it with any of that. So yeah, let's hope for the best. All right, filters out. We didn't get that much all over the place, and there it is. It kind of worked. So let's put on the new one. All right, so same process, just backwards. I did fill it up a little bit, but not enough to where if I lean it too far, it'll leak out. And I just forgot to put some around the O-ring, so I'm gonna do it before I put it on. But yeah, that's usually how I do it. Just stick it in through there and hope it works. All right, the new one's in there, and when you put it on, I mean, you're gonna struggle a little bit unless you know exactly where the oil screw thing is at. So be prepared to struggle a little bit, and your arm will get tired if you're in there for a little while. So yeah, but I mean, it's in there, so now we can fill it up with oil and get going. All right, we're ready to get some oil in. I got a funnel because my wife says I don't have the best aim, so that should help us a little bit. And there's gonna be 3 of those. Man, this was an expensive oil change, but I mean, I gotta do it because it's my money maker. So yeah, let me put those in because I mean, I lost my tripod, so I can't put y'all anywhere, but you already know how to do it, I'm pretty sure. So let me get to it. All right guys, so this is the dinosaur juice I went with. It says it's a blend, so it probably has like T-Rex and whatnot in there, so it should be good. It's been good to me, so yeah, that's what I usually go with. So she's almost ready to go. All right guys, so there she is, ready to go. And surprisingly, for 340,000, there's no blow-by whatsoever. So man, shout out to Cummins for making a real good motor, and that helps a lot too. You know. So put her back together and let's get ready to go. So we made it down to Greenville, got the trailer loaded up, and we're gonna get the tractor and load up some scrap metal I have over here, because I'm trying to clean up everything and make space for these two. I mean, they're there, but I still gotta clean up and get all that situated. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the tractor, and we're gonna load up, and hopefully we can scrap a few things. So there's a helper there. It was good. So yeah guys, let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got her strapped up, should be ready to go. And one last thing. This one. Alright, that ain't going nowhere. Alright, now we're ready to go. So let's go, see how much we can get. Got it all unloaded. Now we're gonna weigh back in and see how much we made with this load. just the frames alone. So at 9 cents a pound, 205.20. So not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. We can fix the OBS with that money right there. So let's go see what else we can do. And I don't think I'll get another one today, but hopefully maybe Friday, Saturday, I don't know. So let's go, guys. Good day so far. Alrighty, guys, so this is what we made off the metal today. This was the first load, which was the frames, and this one I just didn't record it because it was getting kind of late and they were gonna close. Yeah, but this one was the cab from the white Silverado, and I think just like the seats and the cab, I think that was it, and that was 99 bucks. So I mean, we made a little bit over $300, so it was a good day. I'm not gonna complain about it. So yeah, now we have money to fix the OBS, and we got money to fix this one. This one, I think it needs the starter solenoid, because I mean, the starter's good. I jumped it and I mean it spun over, but yeah, the solenoid's no good, and it would stick. I don't know if y'all would remember, but it would stick whenever I started up the truck. So I mean, I had to replace it anyway. Now the fun part's gonna be remembering how these went, but yeah, we'll get it figured out. So I mean, at least we have some more money to get it fixed now. Hopefully it'll be ready for maybe this weekend. I don't know yet. Then we can have a little fun with it. And I think today, if I make it early enough, I'm gonna go ahead and get the balancer and the front seal for the OBS. So yeah, they're all broken. At least that one's not broken. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do on this video. Y'all saw what I do for a little bit of extra money, and hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want me to do more videos like this, let me know. I mean, I'll do them. At least y'all know kind of what I do now. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Like and subscribe. Keep watching them. And for the new subscribers, what's up, guys? Yeah, I see a little bit of my daily life outside of regular work. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching, subscribing. I think that's all. Just gotta work on those, but I will catch you on the next one, guys. Stay tuned.